Cordless Angle Grinder Kit packs a lot of features into a budget-friendly package. With a powerful 20V motor, 6-speed options, and a generous 4.0Ah battery, it could be a tempting choice for DIYers and budget-conscious professionals. However, as a lesser-known brand, its performance and long-term reliability remain untested. Here's a breakdown of its pros and cons. Pros: powerful 20V motor. Promises enough muscle for most common grinding and cutting tasks on stone and metal. 6-speed options. Offers greater control and precision for different materials and applications. 4.0Ah battery and fast charger. Provides extended runtime and minimizes downtime between charges. Adjustable handle. Enhances comfort and control during operation. 22-piece accessory kit. Includes a variety of discs and guards for versatility. Competitive price. Offers good value for the features included. Cons: limited brand recognition. RIDA is not as established as other brands, raising concerns about long-term durability and parts availability. Lack of user reviews. Due to its newness, there's limited real-world user feedback to gauge its actual performance and reliability. Unclear dust collection. Product description doesn't specify if dust extraction is possible, which can be a major drawback for some users. Noise level unknown. Information on noise level is missing, making it difficult to assess comfort during operation. The RIDA Cordless Angle Grinder Kit presents a potentially attractive option for those on a budget who need a versatile tool for occasional tasks. However, the lack of established brand presence and user feedback makes it difficult to confidently recommend it for heavy-duty use or professional applications. If you prioritize proven performance and reliability, consider established brands with more user data available. If you consider the RIDA grinder, prioritize thorough research and look for independent reviews or tests to gauge its real-world performance. Contact the manufacturer directly to clarify any doubts about dust collection, noise level, or warranty details. Remember, price isn't everything. Choose a grinder that balances affordability with features, performance, and brand reputation to meet your specific needs. I hope this review helps you make an informed decision about the RIDA Cordless Angle Grinder Kit. Get it with a discount on Amazon, link in the description.